Hi, this is Heather, the Fit Up Foodie, where I inspire busy people who love to cook and bake so that you feel inspired in your kitchen. Today I'll be sharing one of the best New Year's traditions, Southern-style black eyed peas. Make sure to stick around to see how easy it is making your own Creole spice blend. And of course, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. In a large pot or Dutch oven, add soaked black eyed peas, diced onion, celery, and a hefty amount of diced or crushed garlic. Okay, now it's time for the Creole spice blend, which contains bay leaves, basil, thyme, oregano, black pepper, smoked paprika, and of course, cayenne pepper. From there, add in 1 to 1.5 pounds of ham hocks. Using a combination of chicken broth in addition to water helps to bring in an extra layer of flavor that makes this soup incredibly irresistible. Now add in tomato paste and stir well. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat and then lower to a simmer. Cover and cook until the beans are tender, making sure to stir occasionally. Cooking time will take approximately 1.5 to 2.5 hours, mostly depending on how thick you prefer your soup. Now remove the ham hocks from the beans and debone, adding the ham back into the beans. Serve the soup over rice with a side of cornbread for a prosperous and delicious New Year's Day, but make sure to check out the recipe post in the link below for more tips and Instant Pot or slow cooker instructions.